A lot of people struggle with this, trying to mention or tag someone in a LinkedIn post or LinkedIn comment or reply. And I thought this would be a great chance for me to stop and show you how to overcome this problem in some cases, maybe not in all cases. Let's go look at LinkedIn. Here I am on LinkedIn. Now I'm going to write a post. So now I want to mention a few people. So let's start. I mean, it's pretty easy in most respects. I can mention my buddy Randy, W-O-D-E-N, and there he is right there. Remember, when you start typing, you don't need to type the whole name. Just type enough so it shows up in the list and then click on it. Now, furthermore, watch this. I can backspace out his GCDF, and I can also backspace or delete out Wooden because I know him as Randy. Now, I can also try to tag somebody else. Let's try to tag, let's go with Edward Alston. So I'm typing in Edward Alston, but there's a lot of Edward Alstons, but I want to tag the Edward Alston who works for Lend-Lease. So I type in Edward Alston Lend-Lease. And there he is right there, graduate site engineer at Lend-Lease. And I don't know him well, so maybe I'll call him Edward Alston. Maybe I'll just call him Edward. Let me give you another, let's do that example again. Let's try to tag John Smith. But I only want to tag the John Smith who works for JS Techno. There it is right there. JS Technosoft. There he is right there. So if you can't find him based on the name, William Smith, sometimes what you have to do is type in the first name, their last name, and then type in the first few words of the company name, Caldwell. And there he is right there. I can tell by the picture, and I can tag William Smith. Again, first name, last name, and maybe a few words of the company name will get it as well. One more example to show you. If I do John Smith, and I only want the John Smith who is in North Carolina, John Smith, North Carolina, and there he is at Hopewell High, or maybe that's him at Global. You can type in lots of different words after the name, and you can narrow down your search to find either by the company, the school, the region. I might even be able to try I have not tried industry. How about education? Maybe that'll get me there as well. There's lots of different ways to get it. Now, the bottom line is it's not always going to work for lots of reasons. Maybe they've turned off the ability to be mentioned in a comment, a post, or a reply. Maybe the name is different than you expected. Maybe his name is not John. Maybe he's using a different first name on LinkedIn. Or maybe he's using like Teddy Burriss Jr. In his name on LinkedIn. So you're not always going to do it, but more often than not, you can do the @ symbol, the first name, space the last name, space, and then the first word of the company, and you can often get there. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.